everyone, it's Misty for Stamp Anything. Welcome to our day 2 of our release previews for March 2023. So excited to have you here with us. If you missed it, yesterday I posted day 1, the stencil, the builder die, the word builder die, and the first chibi character, and today we're going to talk about the second character. As a reminder, if you want any or part of this release at a discount, you can sign up for Stamp Club. All the information for that is linked in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. So yesterday we met Juniper, and today we're meeting Leaf. You're my favorite sweet pea. So we have Leaf, who is a fun fairy. He's got a stem and a sweet pea. So it says, hey, sweet pea, and then you're my favorite. And again, this month's release is in our new packaging. So the acetate is not what's colored, it is the paper envelope. And both the stamp and the outline die, when it's removed from the back paper, will fit in these little envelopes. It's a really good way to store your stamps and your dies without having to make a bunch of labels, etc. So for today's, we have Leaf. You're my favorite sweet pea. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the Facebook group. And if you missed it, I have yesterday's video ready for you if you want to see the first part of this release. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye for now.